job involves lots of cleaning, and one of the things we use to clean floors is a Clarke machine, also called a swing machine. And I'm just going to show you how to use this and how to put it away. So what we have here is a 20-inch swing machine. Tip it back. There's a pad adapter on here already. You can twist it off. There's several other adapters. This one works well for holding pads. This is a black pad, it's very aggressive. We also have an adapter with brushes on it. So I'm going to turn that on and lock it in place. I'm going to go ahead and put the pad on. This can be a tricky part because this might not want to stick, and so if I go grab the handles, this pad might move on me. I want this as centered as possible. So if I have somebody else, I'm going to have them lift up the handle while I hold this so we can get it flat. If I'm by myself, I'm going to pull it up like that. And the purpose of that is to try to keep that pad even, because that pad's going to spin around. If it's off center, it makes for a rough hold. So I'm going to pull this handle down. I like to keep it around my waist. That's going to be on personal preference. If it's your first time, you can play around to see what feels right for you. Lock that in place, then I'm going to get my water or my cleaner on the surface. Before I start this machine, you can see it's leaning back right now because of the weight. I want to keep it about right there, nice and level. There's two triggers. There's a safety right here, and then the handle to pull. So to start this machine, I pull the safety, then the handle, and I move it. The thing to know about this is it's not about muscle. It's not about trying to move it to the right or the left. The actual up and down movement, it's all in leverage, will control how this scrubber goes back and forth. So as I turn it on, I pull up, it'll go to the right. Down, it'll go to my left. Up to the right, down to my left. A lot of guys try to muscle this. I think this is a 3 horsepower machine. If you try to muscle it, you'll wear yourself out, and also you're likely to get hurt. So it's all about the leverage here. I'm going to keep this close to my body, just so I'm not working my arms all day. Just going to rest it right there. And then I can go back and forth. Most passes, what I'm going to do is this is a 20-inch machine, so I'm going to do a 20-inch pass back and forth. Then I'm going to come down 10 inches, half the machine. I'm going to work it back, come down 10 inches. And come back. And then once you're a little more skilled, probably not your first time running it, to be able to go up against a wall and called riding the wall. It's got a bumper on it. And I'm just going to hold it as tight to the wall as I can. When I'm done with it, kick the handle up, lock it in place. And like everything we do, I want to make sure it's nice and clean and organized for the next person that uses it. So I'm going to wrap my cord up. This strap on here. And I'm just going to lock this in place because I'm going to load this up on a box truck or a vehicle. I'm going to have to bring it back into the shop, and so I want this to be nice and clean. I'm also going to tip it back. away when they're used up. You'll be able to tell because this will be much thinner. This started about 3/4 inch thick. Once it's about 1/4 inch thick, it means it's been used and time to throw away. Now I can load up the machine and my pad.